you pull an ignition out.
Oh, that hammer and screwdriver, huh?
Drill bit. Now a lot of times if your ignition won't turn,
All you do is push that little thing there in.
a lot of times if your ignition's you can't turn it without the key, your pin won't go down. So a lot of times you can take a drill bit and drill that out, and then just stick your finger in there and steal somebody's car. No, I'm just kidding, but you drill that out and it pulls that out. So if you can't turn your key, just drill that little pin out. Rock Auto sells these for like, what did we pay, 10 bucks?
That or less.
10 bucks, 7 bucks. You get a new ignition switch with not great keys, but somebody'd have to pick at it a while to get that out. They drill this out before they do that. Figure out what way you pulled it out. Shove it back in there. Turn the son of a bitch off and you're done. That's how you change an ignition switch, that easy. And if you want it out, turn it on. And you stick this up through here, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little pin in there. And like I said, if you can't turn your key, drill it out.